disiplinado sa maling bagay. Naranasan mo na bang sobrang careful ka sa isang area, tapos hindi mo napansin na may ibang area na parang bumabagsak na without you realizing? Baka makarelate ka sa couple na to, si Marie at saka si Fred at yung kanilang hardware store. Marie is the kind of person who watches every centavo of the petty cash. Si Fred naman handles the purchasing. Negotiate siya, tumatawad ng very hard with suppliers, and he loves buying in bulk when prices are low. Parang solid ang sistema nila, di ba? Both disciplined, both careful. Pero ito yung hindi nila nakita from where each one of them stood. Marie's tight hold on petty cash meant that small, urgent repairs to the store were always put off. Merong tumutulo na bubong, next month na. A flickering light in the back area, kaya pa naman. Small decisions lang pero unti-unti nang nagiging neglected ang store at napapansin ito ng customers kahit na hindi nila sinasabi. Yung namang bulk buying ni Fred, on the other hand, kept locking up capital in slow-moving items. Yung mga kulay na pintura na nobody wanted, yung mga specific na bolt sizes na hindi naman bumibenta. Mga kahon ng nakasalansan na nasa isang corner, napupuno lang ng alikabok, fast-moving products. Yun talaga ang kailangan ng customers. Sometimes run out because the budget was already tied up in stock that was not moving. Kaya too much of what nobody needed, not enough of what everyone was looking for. Nung they finally sat down and they looked at the full picture together, bigla silang nagulat. Ito yung lesson para sa atin eh. Discipline is powerful, pero only when it is pointed at the right target. Kaya alam mo anak, yung sobra kang strict sa pera, sa maling parte ng business, hindi nito pinoprotect ang negosyo mo. It quietly weakens it from the inside. Kaya always remember, let's always be business-minded Pinoy.